woodworker, and we're all so grateful because it makes our homes look so much more beautiful.
Thank you. So good to see you. You look beautiful.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
in
Christmas in July. Exactly. And our
it.
first decor hour of the season, which is so exciting.
It sure is.
But I love what you were saying, right? For 21 years, we've been sharing this incredible brand with you, and what we've learned is that you love to take all of these patterns and designs and bring them all around the home. So this full hour show has tons of new, some returning favorites, and I have to tell you, stinking cute items.
That's
like
the truth. This is something you can stick in the ground or in a pot anywhere. It could be indoors or it could be outdoors. And the thing about this is that this is a beautiful metal sign that is Christmas in July sale priced, $19.96. And by the way, you're saving more than you're paying because you're going to save $25 and you're going to pay less than $20. And just super cute, but it's a retiring item. When it's gone, and that's why you want to get this right now. Let's talk about it and the designs that you did. Well, it reminds me, remember on MASH, that one scene where they have things and one's going to Boston, one's going to Ohio. That's kind of it. It's like it's going to Gumdrop's house.
Yes, or Santa's workshop, right? And then the North Pole, and all of the individual characters are here. So you're going to see the Fab Four. That's what I love to call them, whether it's Wembley and your reindeer crossing or your North Pole Gumdrop. This is a vertical presence, a nice vertical height. You have all four of them up top. They're cut out. So again, when you think of the amount of detail and workmanship that goes into all of these pieces, super easy right there on the base. It's just literally like a tongue and groove. You put the signs wherever you want, and then follow me all the way down to the bottom. You can actually put this in an urn. You can put this by your fireplace. It's indoor, it's outdoor, it's fade resistant, it's weather resistant. Tuck this in your garden. Just a great way to add a little whimsy to the holiday season.
Right, exactly. And we were just talking, if you've got kids or grandkids, you know, they, first of all, they are attracted to these characters. So the fact that you've got this, it's just really cute. And the other thing too is if you typically hang a flag outside or different things like that, maybe you just want to change it up a bit. You can do that
and it's so well made. You have that nice, beautiful wrought iron pole that's going to stake right into the ground if you're putting it there. Here we actually did it right by the fireplace. I love having a little pop. Maybe you have a smaller space and you want to be able to like put this anywhere. I love picking up more than one because you could anchor it, right? Anchor it on the side of your front porch, anchor it on the side of the fireplace. And again, this is something that's clearance. So whenever you see clearance with Temp-tations, we are retiring it. It means we will not do this again. And this has been one of your favorites, and I don't blame you because it's so stinking cute.
I know. Next time I think it should say Tara's house.
Come on over.
Come on over.
We have hot chocolate and lots to do.
Oh, this is just adorable. What a great gift. You know what? If you're going to someone's place and maybe it's, you already know, you're all going to the sister-in-law's for the Thanksgiving dinner or whatever. You know, this would be the kind of thing to take with you besides the side dishes. And say, hey, I just wanted to bring this to you because I thought it was so cute.
Isn't it adorable?
To give it.
Look at it peeking through the window. This is also something I love. So I'm always designing pieces, Mary Beth, for whatever space you may have, whether it's small, whether it's large, if it's an entryway. I love the thought of even putting this in maybe one of the kids' rooms or having it peek through the window. You're noticing a theme, right? These giant characters, 23 inches tall, they coordinate back. So everybody you see there, from our penguin and our gingerbread, our snowman, and of course Wembley, our reindeer, are all included in that sign. Isn't that so cute?
Exactly right.
Look at that.
Super cute. You're going to see this whole winter whimsy kind of coming throughout a lot of things. And we'll also have poinsettias and things like that.
Cardinals.
But this is just one of those fun things that if you had to make it yourself, it would take quite some time. You don't have to make it. It's less than $20. It's metal, so it's outdoor, fade resistant, weather resistant, all of that.
I have it tucked still in our mulch bed. We are celebrating Christmas and July over at the Tesher house, I will tell you. But I also love the idea of popping it on like a covered porch, or even by your fireplace, even by your entryway, whether it's outdoor or indoor. You know, again, these pieces are meant to be weather resistant, fade resistant, so you don't have to think about a thing. All you have to do is put the little signs on whichever way you want, and you're ready to roll.
And by the way, don't forget, you're saving $25.
It's amazing.
How does this happen? I mean,
Christmas in
seriously, the
July.
price on this was $45
Yes.
because it's worth $45, but right now you're getting it for $20. That's why people are picking up more than one, because it's a great gift. It's for you, it's whoever, but we have fewer than 1,500 remaining. And let me just remind you, on a day like today, when we're celebrating Christmas in July, people are shopping, so don't assume that 1,500 is like a super high amount, because it's really not. And when it's gone, it's gone.
Especially if you're picking up multiples, and I highly
Yeah.
recommend that you anchor some of those great pieces. Like, look at how welcoming that is by the front door. So nice to
cute.
put it out there.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
Oh, I love.
Okay, an easy assembly. Now, let me just remind you, there are some other things available that you can get.